Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore WhatsApp chats from backup. So let's get started. But before you start, make sure you use the same phone number, you're logged into the same Google account or Apple ID, and a backup already exists. So you're going to head over to App Store or Google Play Store, simply search for WhatsApp, and you're going to reinstall the WhatsApp from the store. So once you have reinstalled that, you're going to open WhatsApp and enter your phone number. You're going to verify using your OTP, and when prompted, simply click on Tap Restore, wait for chats to restore, and then tap Next, and all of your chats will reappear. So if you don't have any backup, then you're going to check correct Google or iCloud account. And if you don't have restore option, then that means that you're using wrong phone number or a backup not really exists. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.